What's up, guys? My name is Paytra. I'm a singer-songwriter out of New York. And I am so excited because I just got my Ultra Game package. Oh, hello, Truffle. I got some super cute stuff. I am a huge fan of sportswear. I love all of their pieces. So I'm so excited to share with you what I got, starting with this. So it's an Eagles cropped gray hoodie, not hoodie, crew neck. So it's super soft. Like, seriously, look at this. It is so soft. It is so cute. You can like pair with some jeans and some tennis shoes. And I feel like I could wear this to like bonfires and stuff because it keeps you super warm. The next thing I got are these super cute leggings. Look at it has like a nice little stripe on the side, right? And they're super stretchy. I can tell they're gonna be comfortable. And it seems like the material is really good. You can definitely tell this is good quality. So thank you, Ultra Game. Truffle loves it too. Say hi, Truffle. The next one kind of looks like Truffle. Boom. Bulls. Truffle, you're a bulldog. You should know this. Look at this. So cute. And this is one of those t-shirts that doesn't wrinkle when you wash it. Because I have actually worn this and I've washed it and it's not wrinkly. Look at that. Thank you, Ultra Game. I think this one might be my favorite. I'm not gonna lie. Look at how adorable this is. This color is so bright. Again, great quality, super warm. You can tell you're not gonna be cold at your bonfires, right? Look, so cute. Ah, matches my nails. I can tell this is gonna be my favorite. Thank you so much for all of these cute goodies. Jabba, what do you think? Catch us in New York wearing our cute little hoodies. Now all we need is for Ultra Game to make dog wear and we'll be set. Thank you, Ultra Game.